Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to make bootable USB without using any software in Ubuntu operating system. Open disk. Here is my pendrive. I am going to format it. Here, if the ISO file is Windows operating system, then select NTFS, or if you are going to boot Linux operating system, then use FAT file system. I am going to use Ubuntu bootable pendrive, so I am selecting FAT file system. Next, now I am going to restore partition with ISO image file. Here, so let's select your ISO file, then click open, start restoring, restore. That's it. You can use pendrive once the job has been done successfully. Thank you for watching.